Today I'm going to show you a strategy for answering essay questions. When you answer an essay question, you are expected to answer completely, to use text evidence, to use good writing, to use paragraph form. So I have a strategy for you that might help. It's called the yes, ma'am strategy. So in the word ma'am, M-A-A-M, the M stands for me, which means the first sentence of my answer will come from me. It's going to be my thoughts and my ideas. The second sentence will come from the author. I'll be citing one specific detail that the author included. That would be text evidence that supports my thought. The third sentence would be a second specific detail from the author. And the last sentence is back to me, where once again, these are my thoughts and ideas, where I'm going to explain that evidence. So let me show you how I use the yes ma'am strategy to write an essay response, a paragraph response to this question. How does Kansas compare to the Land of Oz? Why do you think the author chose to set up this contrast? So my first sentence is my thoughts. I'm going to restate the question and provide an answer. So if the question was, how does Kansas compare to the Land of Oz? My first sentence is the answer to that. Kansas and the Land of Oz are strikingly different. That's how they compare. My next sentence needs to come from the author. I'm going to be finding one specific detail, citing one specific detail from the text that supports my idea that they are different. So here it is. My first detail from the author. On page 6 of part 1, the narrator called the Kansas prairie a gray mass and said that it had taken the sparkle from Aunt Em's eyes and left them a sober gray. My next paragraph will be my second specific detail from the text, my second piece of text evidence. And it is, in contrast, on page 6 of part 2, in Oz, the sun shone bright and the birds sang sweetly, causing Dorothy to be surprisingly happy. So my first sentence is talking about Kansas. It's my text evidence about Kansas. My green sentence is my text evidence about Oz. And in my opinion, these two sentences support the idea that Kansas and Oz are strikingly different. Now, if I stop there, I have a pretty good paragraph, but wouldn't my paragraph be better if I added a conclusion? The conclusion is back to my idea. It's the final M in ma'am, where I'm going to explain this evidence. If I just stop, I think my reader might get my logic, but I think it would be better if I fully explained my logic. So I'm adding one more sentence. The author changed the setting to help improve Dorothy's outlook so she wouldn't give up looking for a way to get home. That is my thought. That's the M. That's my thought, and it ties the whole paragraph together. I said they're strikingly different. I gave a piece of evidence about Kansas. I gave a piece of evidence about Oz, and then I explained why the author did that. In my opinion, that's why the author did that. I now have a complete paragraph with a topic sentence, supporting details, which are the text evidence, and a great conclusion. pause the video for a moment, read through each one of those sentences, and think carefully about how I used the strategy, yes, ma'am, to answer this essay question.